Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie. And for the last ball is going to win it. Rocky wins. Trainer April, what can you say about that? Use this time.
Oh, then we won another race.
Oh, she won another race. Trainer Joan.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the race.
And what is the race?
The first bird who can drop cleans into the bowl, the fastest is the winner. And that is a race.
So, the ring race shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy doing this time. And we will doing this again. And this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Followed by the second ring. Hey, what's happening? Sassy winning on the 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy! Trainer Jan, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Whoa, he didn't cheat that?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's good that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer April and Trainer John. Parrots are particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why people being inventors and that word. So really Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shift bomb into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, bring them across from South America, they're the dental giant of the wild family. It is because they're the second largest next to the highest in Macos. They can grow up to 90 to 60 and they live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoloptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, clove, minerals along the river banks. And there you go, intelligent right and locals for Sassy with Trainer April. Now guys, who loves math? All of us here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will include all the domains. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 to 15. Any numbers between 1 to 15? Alright, so the first number is number 8. So what about the second number? Alright, so the second number is number 5. So the equation is 8 plus 5. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Beans should shuffle the numbers.
Gandahan.
Now let's solve our hybrid noodle, Rocky. So once again, the equation is 8 plus 5. So Trainer Mike, is Rocky ready? Go Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets the number 3. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer April.
Nandun sa taas.
Now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrot, we would like to introduce you another species of birds here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight, and they also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our brownie guide. Here comes Soul. Brownie guides are known as Bubu Peletensis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Cebu. And meet our brownie guide, here comes Bee. Brownie guide, scientifically known as Salinas turricus, one of the 446 species birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are known as Lawin or Pano in Visayas region. Everyone, we have our chickens. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mates. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in the land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. We're going to raise our lovely bird, and they're going to show us how the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action. Save them from exploitation and even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now, let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer B, Sweet Rocky. Trainer Mikey with Rocky. Trainer Rochelle with Hope. Trainer JB with Shadow. Trainer April with Speed. And once again, I'm Trainer Regine. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain on your seat because we still have the Sea Lion Show. Thank you.
Oh, ganun nga. Kanina, lalit lang tayo sa sa bird view. Nak, baba na kayo, may